Activating Gmail for Google Workspace in Squarespace involves updating your DNS records to verify your domain and enable email functionality. Here's how to do it. Sign in to Google Workspace. Go to the Google Workspace admin console and log in with your administrator account. Verify your domain. Follow the setup wizard to verify your domain. Google will provide the TXT verification record. Log into Squarespace. Visit Squarespace and log into your account. Access DNS settings. In the home menu, click Settings, then Domains. Select your domain and click DNS settings. Add TXT record for verification. Scroll to the TXT record section and click Add record. Enter the TXT record details provided by Google Workspace for domain verification. Add MX records for email. In the MX records section, click Add record. Enter the following MX records provided by Google. Save changes. Save your DNS settings in Squarespace. Finalize setup in Google Workspace. Return to the Google Workspace admin console and complete the domain verification process. Confirm the MX records are correctly set up and activate Gmail.